Today what we're going to do is we're going to take the stock radiator and clutch fan out of that, and we're going to wire in electric fans and new radiator. For all your cooling needs, make sure to go to Mishimoto for the shit. And now we're just going to take that shit off and get started. Right here, and then we'll take this coolant hose off. There's a temp sensor, and the clutch fan looks like there's 4 bolts to pull that off. So we're going to start with that, and then pull that off, pull these off. Should be pretty simple. Alright, so I just got everything off, and then water inside, like the coolant, whatever was in there, basically mud. It wasn't pretty, so I hooked the hose up to it right here, and I went to turn the car on, and this is the water pump pulley right here, and we took the clutch fan off that hooks up to this, so right when I turned the car on, fucking threw the pulley, shit went everywhere. So now we're gonna put the pulley back on, make sure the nuts are on it, and then flow water through it again, make sure it's as clean as possible, and then we can put the new shit in. So Ethan told me he didn't care if he held it, and now we're getting all that old water out. How's it taste? Sweet. Want some coffee? So I just took the temp sensor out of the old radiator. Sensor location is right here. Put that in, and then I'll drop the radiator in, hook up the coolant hoses. Ethan's going to get new plugs right now, like nice ones. And yeah, just got the hardware off because I had the fan shop, the radiator already. Radiator's in, nice and solid. Lower coolant hose is good. Lower coolant hose is good. Jesus Christ, can't do it. Temp sensor's all plugged in and good. Now I just wait for Ethan. So we did figure out that the Skyline has an electric fan that blows through, and the clutch fan sucks. So Ethan wired in the plug over there. Converted both of these from dual wires to single together. We went to our local hardware store and got a nice plug. Now he's finishing that up. And we're just gonna put that in, put the new plug in. She's GTG. Yes, man. Pick up one. Done. Check it out. No, but on the real, it's done. We wired in the electronic fans to the previous stock fans, and when it gets a little warm, they turn on. Just took her for a drive. She's nice and warm. She didn't overheat. If you need some shit, buy some shit at Mishimoto. No, honestly, I use Mishimoto stuff on everything I have. They've never let me down. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Get yourself some Mishimoto. Bitches, I'm out.